Welcome to the video, everybody. Here is my beautiful watermelon, and in this video I want to share how to make a good how to pick a good watermelon. This is like really good. You can see it's like crunchiness. It's really good, guys. Like, you hear that? Delicious. That's like a good sign you want to crunch. So I hope this video helps you to pick a really good watermelon. So it should look like that, and I want to show you more actually. See these stripes? They're fairly well like straight. You also want straight lines. You don't want ones that like have lots of like this type of thing everywhere. See that like crooked line? It reminds you of an iris. In an iris you want straight lines in iridology. You don't want one like all squiggly stripe, like cracked type of look. So this is a really good watermelon. You also want a big like yellow patch, and you want one that's fairly bigger rather than smaller. And when you thump it, like dum dum dum, it should be a bit more like boom instead of. And usually when you hold it on the other side, for example, if you hold it here and here, and then you slap it one side, the reverberation hits your other finger, your other hand, and it shouldn't be. It should, like I said, it should be more like boom. It should be like feeling all around your hand, instead of just like more like a sharp slap, which is more of a localized vibration hitting your hand. It should be more of a spreaded vibration hitting your other hand, more of a boom, 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 like boom, less. So this has that. It also has some seed development, like it's like black enough seeds. They're developed, although they're small. But yeah, so that's my tips, everybody. So like that's what I said. That means it's been in the sun. Has a good sunspot on the farm. It's getting the sun. The plant is getting lots of sun energy, which translates to nutrients and good maturity of the plant. The other thing I hear is these lines are handy, but at the end of the day, they're less important than everything I said. So I'd go with everything I said first. But to do say these lines can be helpful. It's just partly a sign of maturity, just there. So everybody, my name is Owen. I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay tuned for more, and make sure you hit the notification bell button. And if you like this video, give it a rate, share, or leave any questions or comments. And what are your tips for picking a good watermelon? Stay tuned. I'll see you again next video. Have a nice day, everybody. Have a lovely day. And I hope you have lots of nice watermelons.